Hey, what's up guys, welcome to a speed test comparison between the Poco M3, which is the latest mid-range smartphone, and it is side by side with the Redmi Note 9. As we know that the Redmi Note 9 is almost 1 year old, while the Poco M3 is the latest mid-range smartphone. Before going into the speed test, let me tell you some basic specifications. So on the Poco M3 we have got snapdragon 662 chipset, and while on the Redmi Note 9 we have got MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, and both are 4GB variant. But the most interesting thing is the Poco M3 is cheaper than the Redmi Note 9. So let's find out which is best and which one you should buy for gaming between both of them. So as always, kicking things off with a boot up test, and 3, 2, 1. Now let's see which one of them is going to be the winner of this race, as the Poco M3 is cheaper and also it is the lightest one. Also the Poco M3 have got a huge battery which is 6000 mAh. So let's see, and both are taking some time. Well, you can see the boot up test won by the Redmi Note 9 and followed by the Poco M3, and I think it was around 1 second difference in the first boot up test, which is totally fine. So now we have arrived at the application portion of the speed test, and I'm gonna try these apps one by one on both of them, and with the help of these apps we are gonna see which one of them is gonna perform better than the other one. So before starting the speed test, you guys can see both of them have got the same Wi-Fi connection, and also everything is completely turned off. So starting from some light applications, and the first one is going to be system dialog. Well, you can see this one goes to the Poco M3. Messages, and again this one goes to the Poco M3, though the difference was very minimal, but still it was quicker there on the Poco M3. And you can see this one goes to the Redmi Note 9. Now coming to the third party applications to see the real difference between the Poco M3 and the Redmi Note 9. Welcome back guys. So it was a tough speed test between both of them. We will come back to a discussion that which is best and which one you should buy for heavy games such as PUBG mobile game, Fortnite and Call of Duty mobile game. But before going into that, I would like to do the RAM management test because that is also very important and also that is the part of this test. So stay tuned. Welcome back guys. So it was a gaming test and RAM management test between the Poco M3 and the Redmi Note 9, and as you guys saw here the gaming performance of both of them, it was a very tough speed test, but the Poco M3 played very well against the Redmi Note 9. Though the Redmi Note 9 is expensive, but still the Poco M3 was performing better than the Redmi Note 9. So the conclusion is that if you guys are thinking to buy any of them especially for gaming or for your normal use, I will definitely prefer the Poco M3 over the Redmi Note 9 because the Poco M3 have got 6000 mAh massive battery which will stay longer compared to Redmi Note 9. But also you guys are the one to judge, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section about both of them. Okay guys, it was all from us for today. Make sure to subscribe our channel for daily tech videos. Thanks for watching us and we'll see you in my next video.